Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your services with Thumbtack step by step clearly. First, log into your Thumbtack account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Profile section in the menu. Click on Profile to access your service details. Scroll down to find the Verification option. Click on Verify your services to begin the verification process. Choose the service you want to verify from the list provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter required information. Prepare any necessary documentation that supports your service claims. Upload these documents as instructed. Review all the information you have submitted for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, submit your verification request. You will then receive a confirmation message acknowledging your submission. Thumbtack will review your request and documents. This process may take some time, so be patient. You will receive an email notification regarding the status of your verification. If approved, your services will be marked as verified on your profile. If further information is needed, follow the instructions provided in the email. Be sure to respond promptly to any additional requests from Thumbtack. Once verified, promote your services confidently to potential clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.